TSSG.
Congress leader Saleng has blamed the government for the high dropout rate in Meghalaya, holding the Education Department responsible for the poor national ranking. Stating that the same children will be part of anti-social activities, Sangma pointed to the ambitious programs of the government while neglecting the basic things. Sangma said that the dropout rate is a serious concern and it must be addressed given the fact that students are the future of the state. Alarming the government, he said that a dropout rate will only add to unemployment and other social ills.
When our children are being dropped out without educations, what will happen to the future? What will happen to the society? They will not just be incumbent only to the society, even to the government. It will be a burden. You see, these are the serious areas that government has to look at. This dropout is not just a fun or kind of a politics to politicize. The government has to think about the quality of educations so that the children will not drop out. The government has to make sure that the teachers are well trained and every schools are well informed about anything that is happening within our state.
The